Okay. Good morning, children. Welcome to Inspira Live Classes. Today I am going to explain key of 11th August 2020 dated assignment solutions. This assignment contains the four sums. Let me explain one by one. Now find the three rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 5 is the first question. Find three rational numbers. Okay, three rational numbers. Three rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So the given two rational numbers have the different denominators. So let us first make them into that same rational numbers. Okay, making the denominators as a same. That's why 1 by 4 equal to 1 into 1 by 4 into 1 equal to 1 by 4 only, and but 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 into 2 into 2 into 2. Both numerator and denominator multiply with 2 will get the 2 by 4. So we got the fourth numerator and denominators are equal. Now since we need the three rational numbers between given two rational numbers, so these two rational numbers are multiplied with 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Both numerator and denominator. Both numerator and denominators. So then what you will get? 1 by 4 is equal to 1 into 4 by 4 into 4 is equal to 4 by 16, and 2 by 4 is equal to 2 into 4 by 4 by 4 into 4 is equal to 8 by 16. So three rational numbers between 4 by 16 comma 8 by 16 are 5 by 16, 6 by 16 comma 7 by 16. These are the required three rational numbers between given two rational numbers. This is the first question. Let down now the second one is find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. 10 rational numbers between. So first make them into the same denominators. So minus 2 by 5 into 2 by into 2 equal to minus 4 by 10. Second one is 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. 1 into 5, 2 into 5 equal to 2 by 10. So here minus 2 by 5 is equal to minus 4 by 10. 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 10. So both are the same. Now we need to insert the how many rational numbers here? 10 rational numbers. So first both these two are multiplied with 2 again. So minus 4 by 10 is also again multiplied with 2. Minus 4 by 10 equal to minus 4 into 2 by 10 into 2 is equal to minus 8 by 20. And the second one 2 by 10 is equal to 2 into 2 by 10 into 2 is equal to 4 by 20. Okay, now required two rational numbers, 10 rational numbers between. Hence, 10 rational numbers. 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 comma 1 by 2 are, as continuously we can write minus, after minus 8 by 20, minus 7 by 20, minus 6 by 20, minus 5 by 20, minus 4 by 20, minus 3 by 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, minus 2 by 20, minus 1 by 20, next plus 1 by 20, 2 by 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3 by 20. Okay, plus 1 by 20, I will write here. 2 by 20, 3 by 20. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got the 10 rational numbers between given two rational numbers. So this is the second sum solution. Now let me explain the third one. Represent minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 11 by 11. Represent minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11 and minus 9 by 11 on the number line. On the number line. See, to represent on the number line, first we will take the number line. We know that on the number line, if we will take the 0, if you will take the 0 on the number line, all the positive rational numbers or any real numbers will write right side of the 0 and negative numbers will write left side of the 0. We know. These are all negative, minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 11 by 11. So these are all these numbers left side of the 0. So I will take here 0 now, first 0. This means all three rational numbers lies left side of this 0. Then what we will do, what is the denominator for all these rational numbers? 11 only. So from 0 to left side we will represent that 11 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay. So this will be continue here. For example, it is the 11th part. The total length is 1 unit. Divide it. The total from A to D. For example, A to B. This total length is, we will assume that 1 unit will divide into that 11 parts. So how you can write, all are left side of the 0. That's why this is minus 1 by 11. This is minus 2 by 11. This is minus 3 by 11. Minus 4 by 11. Minus 5 by 11. Minus 6 by 11. Minus 7 by 11. Minus 8 by 11, minus 9 by 11, minus 10 by 11, minus 11 by 11 means minus 1, minus 11 by 11 means that is nothing but minus 1. So 0 to minus 1 we divide into that 11 equal parts. So those are the parts, first part, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, like this. Now I want to find that minus 2 by 11. For example, this is the point P. That P represents minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11. This q represents minus 5 by 11 and this is a 9 minus 9 by 11. R represents minus 9 by 11. So the point P represents minus 2 by 11. Point Q represents minus 5 by 11. Point R represents minus 9 by 11. So once again, from 0 to 1, minus 1, that is left side of the 0 always will take. Because it is negative. We'll divide into that 11 equal parts. Each part will be write the continuous numbers minus 1 by 11, minus 2 by 11 like that in the decreasing order. So we'll get that P, Q, R are required rational numbers minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 9 by 11 on the number line. Okay. So these are the given rational numbers on the number line. Now the last question is fourth one. Identify the rational number which is different from other three. The given rational numbers are 2 by 3, 2 by 3, as minus 4 by 5, minus 4 by 5. Third one is 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. 1 by 2, 1 by 3. These are the given four rational numbers. We need to identify that different rational number from other three. What is the different one when compared with all these four rational numbers? Observe here 2 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 3. These are all positive rational numbers. You know, already we told that the positive values, this is the number line, will take the 0. Right side of the 0 will take that positive numbers. Left side of the 0 will take that negative numbers. So that's why somewhere the 2 by 3, 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 3 are right side of 0 on number line. But minus 4 by 5 is left side of 0 on the number line. That's why what is the different from other three? Minus 4 by 5. Therefore different rational number is minus 4 by 5. Okay, so this is the fourth one solution. Okay children, these are the solutions of the 11th August 2020 dated assignment solutions. All the best.